video, we're going to learn how to connect our Oticon hearing aids to our Oticon On app that we downloaded. Our hearing aids should already be connected to our phone, on our iPhone. If you haven't had them already connected through Bluetooth, I'd watch that video first. So we're going to click on our Oticon On app. It's going to ask if it can use your Bluetooth, and you want to press OK. And then you're just going to read these things and just press next until it says start, and you just want to press start. It's going to ask if it can use your location. I would say allow, and allow while using app. And then you can choose if you want notifications or not. I personally don't like them, so I'm going to say no. Okay, and then because it's already connected to our phone, our hearing aids have already found the app, and so we're just going to press continue. And now you have 6 different icons here. The one you're going to use the most is remote control, and you can either press it here, or you can see the same icon and everything is down here at the bottom in the middle.